Hello everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I create a beautiful look just for you. And today I'm using Estee Lauder Blockbuster. Yeah, we have two right here. Skincare, it's very easy to apply, but these two beauty blockbuster have colors inside, and I decided, you know what, let me play with them, let me create a beautiful look for you. And one box beauty blockbuster have this beautiful eyeshadows, and this is so pretty, and some color it's very hard to find. It's like fun, it's in here like a pinky color I really like, and make my eyes and make me look young. And then another beauty blockbuster have a bronze and blush and highlighter, and it's on me. And of course we're gonna try mascara, we're gonna try a lipstick, and we have two colors inside. We have red, we have more neutral. But you know what, let me stop talking, let me show you how I create this beautiful look. And if you like, please give me thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Love you more than ice cream. I really need your support. Okay, you know I like to talk. Also, this beauty blockbuster will available, link below, or you can go to Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I have links there too. Remember, these two beauty blockbusters is $79, and it's 10 full products inside. It's insane for $79, and it is purchase with purchase, and I believe you need to spend $45, but let me check. Yes, and its value is $570. Again, girls, it's amazing deal, and products so pretty. I'm coming close to it. I want you to see. It's so pretty. I really like this look. I know, girls, this is so pretty. We're gonna use both palette from both sets, but let's do first skincare. I'm gonna use my sample from this beautiful box, Advanced Night Repair Serum, then eye cream, and I'm gonna use moisturizer. We're gonna prepare my skin first for makeup. Then I'm gonna use a double wear foundation, because you can see I have a lot of discoloration, pigmentation, and believe me or not, when I wear this foundation I will get the most compliments. If you are dry, I will suggest mix nighttime repair with your foundation and will not feel dry. And I'm gonna use MAC primer, eyeshadow primer for my eyelid before your eyeshadow. Okay, let's do it. You know I like to talk and I'm just like have a good today, I will say, here attitude because it's beautiful outside. And I don't know, I start a little bit exercise, and I feeling a little bit better, looking a little bit better. And all what I do, just like 10 or 15 minutes I do treadmill at home, and I also walk in my little dog, little Pomeranian. Okay, also I love this eye cream, not just under my eyes, I like to put on top, because after 40 your eye area little bit dry there. Oops, somebody else cutting grass. I just start video and they start cutting grass. Oh, I hate it. And let's put my revitalizing supreme moisturizer. This is how I like to apply. Just press to my skin. Woohoo! Foundation looks good. I am looks a little bit pale, but remember we have bronze, we're gonna use powder, and then I will look okay, but you don't see any difference from my neck right down. And my color is N12. This is actually most popular color, N12 or 3N1. For my concealer, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier, and I really like this concealer. It's a brightener and corrector duo. You have two sizes. I usually use one just for concealer. Brightener I barely use. If I use under my brow bone. Foundation on me, and I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown powder to set my makeup. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows and we'll be right back. Eyebrows done, and we're gonna start working with my face. First, let's put this little bit bronze. You can see bronze make huge difference. And now we're gonna use these two blushes, and again, look at the snowflakes in here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. One it's a matte color and another it's have little bit glow. I'm gonna apply glow blush first, and then I'm gonna use matte on top. This is blush, or like it's a highlighter. It looks so pretty. For highlighter it's a little bit too dark, but for blush it's good. But because I have a big large pores, I need to put a different blush. Again, we're gonna use this one on top, and my pores will not look so big. Girls, I am so again happy. Holidays, it's almost here. All these deals what we have at Nordstrom, it's insane. Go to my Instagram, check it out, link in bio, because I have so many good stuff on my profile and you can shop, and of course it's free shipping. Okay, now let's use this blush. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, we finish use my face palette, and this one actually box have this highlighter, bronze, blush, have mascara and eyeliner, and then we will use blush and we will use eyeliner. But then we have another blockbuster where I see here, and I feel personal this is better deal, because we have here with you 6 eyeshadows. You see this small little eyeshadow, and here this is big. This is can be blush, can be eyeshadow. This is can be also a blush or eyeshadow, and this can be blush and eyeshadow too. But to me, this person little bit have a better deal. But let's see. Oh. Okay, but it says it's eyeshadow palettes. Basically, it's all eyeshadow here, but you definitely can use this for blush. First color, which one I'm gonna use, it's this one. It's matte color, and I'm gonna apply close to my brow bone and set in my basically eyeshadow primer. Second color, which one I'm gonna use, I wanna use this color, and it's have like a pinky tint. I love this. I wait for this eyeshadow for a long time. It's so hard to find color like this. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Oh yes. Very pretty. I love this eyeshadow. Again, it's like have a pinky peachy color, but more pinky. Look at just my eyes. We have only 2 color, but how pretty it is. Wow, I'm serious, just 2 color. You can just put eyeliner, mascara, and you're ready to go. But we're gonna use a little bit more. I don't even know which one color I should use right now. I'm using this darker color, and it's like a brown with purple tint with small tiny brush. I'm just gonna make a crease right here. It's okay if it's not perfect. We're gonna use a big blending brush and we're gonna just blend, blend, blend. Now, same eyeshadow I'm gonna use underneath, and again, it's so pretty. It's like a purpley brown color. It's so hard to find colors like this. This Estee Lauder Beauty Blockbuster definitely worth this money because it's such a good deal. And products, colors what they put, ooh, it's amazing. Now I came to camera a little bit more close because I do want you to see colors and how it looks. Yes, it's not yet a perfect blend, but this is why I have a big blending brush. I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend this. But look at how beautiful, beautiful this eyeshadow. Again, right here we have matte, right here we have like a pinky color, and it's have a lot of beautiful like sparkler shimmer. And this is underneath. I have this beautiful like a purpley brown eyeshadow, and now I'm just blending. I'm gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just put little bit on a corner. I have eyeliner, and it's a black waterproof eyeliner, and I also have a small angle brush, and it's a Trish McAvoy brush, and I'm gonna just put little bit this eyeliner on my little brush, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes this black eyeliner. You can use pencil, but I like to use my small brush because it looks better, it's more looks clean and easy for me. My eyes, it's done. And remember, we use only like what we have one color we use, and it's matte ones, and we use this beautiful like a rosy pinky color, and then we use this beautiful like it's a purpley brown color, and this gold for eyeshadows. But these colors look very pretty on me, and I look very young. I love this color. Okay, let's finish lips. Again, we have 2 lipstick. We have a red one, and we have a neutral color, and I'm choosing neutral color because for this look I do wanna have neutral, something neutral color, and its name Intense Nude number 561. Again, look at this beautiful lipstick. It's so holiday. And for my lip liner, I'm gonna use Double Wear number 08 Spice. Okay, let's finish this look. We're almost done, girls. Again, holiday's almost here. Let's get it ready to guess. Love you more than ice cream. Give me thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget, give me like, girls. You know, I love to talk. Remember, this is its purchase of its purchase. I think this is perfect lip liner for this lip color, and I really like it. It's so pretty. Ooh, it's not too nude. It's this lip color have a color, but it's very pretty and make my lips really big, smooth. Voila. Again, to finish this, remember it's purchase with purchase. Will link below this beauty box. And girls, give me thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.